guys, and welcome back. Well, it's that time again, and it's time where we all get to laugh at my tomfoolery and my mistakes. And I guess without further ado, I'm going to bring you guys Blooper Reel number 9. To read plans. If you're not sure, check that out. That could help you. Email. Now, when I say that we're going to be making a shaker, I don't mean a salt shaker or that sort of thing. I mean a shaker for musical, as in musical. Let's start this clip over. It's going to be one of those. And with that, and this is the actual template for the outer. Going to go get some tea and crumpets. Outer. Take 2. That's roughly about 1.5 inches or just a little bit less thick when you're done. Of course, why wouldn't the email go off when I was at the end of the clip? When you go to cut the angles on the side, it could cause you some problems. Sorry, let's take this again. All of the proper angles and slopes, etc. Add it to it, and I'll just get that text message. And as I thought through it and was thinking through the cutting process, I realized that is going to leave me with a text message, to which I am going to now mute my phone so that I don't get interrupted again. So for my purposes, what I'm going to be doing is making this grill top a little longer than what I need, and interrupt by a text message. We've got a few more pieces done, and for that we've got the back fender part done at the front. Let's start this over. Oh, I have something in my eye. Why is it that when you wear safety glasses and a full face shield on the table saw, and you still manage to get dust in your damn eye? How does that work? You need safety eyes. Safety eyes. All right, enough. Stop this. With the thickness of stock that you want your steering wheel made out of. Ha! Yeah, email. Yeah, bite me. You didn't even get in there fast enough. You gotta be faster to get this guy when it comes to interrupting his video. That's rare. I usually break 1 or 2 of these before I get one done, and I'm not afraid to admit it. That's part of making these bottles. Bottles? We make the bottles. I say we make the bottle. Take 2. Dowel that is measured the same diameter as this hub, and we just gotta interrupt it, so hang on. Yes. And it all starts off with a peach. A peach? I'd love a peach. Maybe a couple apples, some grapes. Why not a couple bananas too? Get the potassium levels up. No, that's a peach. It's gonna be a long day. Well, the mirrors are not difficult, they're just tedious, and it all starts off with a peach. Okay, I gotta get this out of my system. Project. We have our sides, and our sides will basically be mounted just like this, and you can't see that because we're off camera. Good grief. Let's do this again. And there you have it. What did I make? Okay. I forgot what I made. Hang on. Yeah. I got it. I got this. Hang on. I'll just keep rolling. And there you have it. I did have some that ricocheted out, That's inevitable. You're working with a firearm. It's going to happen. It's not like your phone's going to go off and it's going to rip twice and really screw up your clip. I know. Go ahead. Put down the comments there. Hey, Kenny, shut your phone off. I know. These air guns are not toys. There are those that think that they are. They are still very dangerous. So please, when you're shooting and when you're practicing and all of that jazz, yeah, that stupid okay, this time I'm shutting the volume off. It's the same person too. Like, how much do you really have to say? It is the same person. So guys, I want to thank you for joining me this week. This project has been a lot of fun, and I hope you're going to join me again next week for yet another woodworking video. And I put my phone on mute, and she's texted me twice because I heard it buzz, and she didn't wreck my clip. And it wasn't even my wife this time. Yeah, how about that, eh? Came out to the shop and actually shut the sound off on my phone. Who says that you can't teach an old dog new tricks? Bark, bark. On this week's show, we're going to be making a smoke grinder. Well, that was magical. Cool, huh? We need to make a handle. And I can already see a bit of an issue here. I've glued this on backwards. Make the rabbet that we will use for our frame. And I haven't thought this through well enough, so I will be right back to figure this out. And with that, the frame is glued together, and there's really not much. Take two. Put my glasses back on so I could still look sophisticated, like I was actually thinking about stuff. Okay, take two. And with that, our frame is glued together. And more importantly, I hope that you're going to join me next week for yet another woodworking video. And that's a wrap. I need one of those things that take one. I gotta make one of those. That would be hilarious. Maybe that's a show idea. Should I do that? Maybe. So let's head over to the bench and see if we can't break the cover away from the existing one that's on it. That didn't make any sense. And now that we have the squeeze out cleaned out, let's start this over. So now you can see here with the profile, oops, no, you can't see anything, it's off camera. Get to use for this project, and truth be told, it's functional. So, well, that ruined that clip. Hang on, let me do a drink. Well, hey there guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, ding, nothing came up until I started filming, and then ding. Oh, itchy nose. How can I be itchy nose? I cleaned my shop yesterday. It's spotless. There's not a bit of dust anywhere, and yet I have an itchy nose. Well, that means I'm going to kiss a fool. Mwah. And there you have it. A tablet holder. Guys, this is a fun project. You can see here in the picture that this is just the photo of it. No, never mind. Let's try this over. And there you have it. A tablet holder. Okay. And there you have it. A tablet holder. Guys, this is a... Now, when it comes to drill bits, there are many different types, from masonry to, I just lost the word. And there you have it. A potted press plant. No, it's not.
Starting over, all right.
Can fit in there. So then we're going to take that once. Let's start this over. Our next step in the project, let's turn the screen around so I can see what I'm doing. There we go. It's right in the middle of our tabletop. I haven't got things even close to being set up here. I thought I did. I thought wrong. One moment, please. And we will be gluing those in place. Where will we be gluing these in place? Right there. And there you have it. Yes. Now having and now that we have that set knob loose in, I'll zoom back in here so that you can see. And all we're gonna, okay, let's start this clip over. It's coming. There it is. Well, hey there, guys, and welcome back. It's an sneeze took all the good out of me. You want to prep it and cut your lengths and your widths and that sort of thing and then we can slide this out of our way. Hopefully. There, it's as simple as keeping your marked edges together so that, I screwed this whole clip up. Let's start over. Guys, this could not be a more simple project as far as woodworking tools or working with the plastic or whatever you, let's start over. Now, truth be told, these are all the pieces. And they have, the heck was that? I had something on my tongue. A bug? Okay, start this clip over. And there you have it. The blooper reel, number 9. Guys, I have a lot of fun on this show, but if it wasn't for you, there really would be no show. So I want to thank you all for joining in and having some fun with me on a regular basis here on the program. I hope that today I've been able to provide you with a few chuckles and a little bit of an insight to what happens behind the scenes. And what happens behind the scenes here in the shop is a heck of a lot of tomfoolery and an awful lot of fun. Guys, I want to thank you for joining in, and I hope you're going to join me again next week for yet another Alternative Tuesdays. Looking for my remote. Found it in my pocket.